Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, we are going to start we are going to revise and summarize the whole chapter of our matter in our surroundings. So yeah, in matter in our surroundings, we have learned too many units like we have learned about the matter, are they are natural or not, and we have learned sublimation, evaporation, suspension, and Tyndall effect, suspension, Tyndall effect, and many more things we have learned. Now we are going to revise them by work plan which I have got today, and first we will talk about them, and then after saying a line about them, we will go in the deep and we will learn about them, and then we will do like this, step by step we will do complete this all these points. So now, so now here the first point, which is the matters are particles which are natural. Now, this line is saying the matters are particles, small particles, which are natural. So, yeah, the matters are particles that we have proven in our activities, like how we have proved. Take a beaker, and for doing it, we have done an activity. So, that activity is take two beakers. In one beaker, you put potassium and salt and then water, then mix it, and after you get in second beaker, you take 90 ml of water and take 10 ml of that 10 ml from that potassium and salt water. After taking and them from them, mix into the 90 ml water. After mixing it, so wait for some time and do like this from 2 3 bottles like this. Take 90 ml water from, then take 10 ml from this, and then put in that. From that, the take and put in another one. Like this, do 2 3 times. Okay. After doing, you observe that the particles are natural, means the particles which are we have transferring from another place to one one place to another, they are getting decreased by their quantity, means some are being here, then some are getting in the beaker, then some are being and in that one beaker, and going to some are be going to another beaker. Like this, that we proved that the natural small particles are natural. Now the second line is the the matters are natural, and they are three states. Three states. Which are the three states? The states are solid states, liquid state, okay, liquid state, and then gaseous state. Gaseous state. So now this line says the matters are natural. We have proven that matters are natural, and they have three states like solid, liquid, and gaseous. Now, what is the meaning of solid, liquid, and gaseous? Solid means solids. You can see around your uh, hmm, around your surroundings. You can see so many things which are made up of solid, and some of them are liquid and some of them are gaseous. Now you can see here, it is a block, which is a plastic block, which is made up of an liquid, means after getting temperature, this liquid has changed his face into an solid. Now you say me how he changed, means the plastic is an liquid. When we used to make it warm, it became an solid. So like this, the matters, the three, like this, solid and substance is this. And one point which we have proven that, which says that when we do and sublimation, the solids, the liquid substance changed into the solid substance. That's called sublimation. So like this, the plastic liquid get changed into the solid substance after getting sublimation. Though I hope to understand what are this line. Now, the third one is the matters are the matters the matters like, firstly it says that solid is maximum, then liquid is intermediate. Okay, liquid is intermediate in intermediate, and then gaseous is gaseous is minimum. Now this says that the the force of attraction between the this states is the force of attraction between these states is solid is maximum, and liquid is intermediate, and gaseous is minimum. Now, like you have say they says and things like maximum, and then intermediate, then minimum. What are these three? Maximum means tough, intermediate means maximum, minimum is solid, and maximum is gaseous. So yeah, solid is maximum, like the in the picture, in one diagram we have pasted in our this book and pasted in our explanations. Let me show you that diagram to understand more clearly. Okay, now see this. This is the diagram. Now notice it. Solid substance. You can see there the solid substance has maximum things which are covered, which does don't goes here and there. And then we has liquid substance. Like liquid substance has intermediates, mean middle one, means the liquid substance can force attraction is middle, and gaseous is minimum. Minimum means smaller than intermediate and bigger than maximum. Sorry, minimum means middle one. Minimum means after intermediate. So like this, these three forces has the attraction and the attraction, and I have explained you by explain you how much force attractions are there in these three states. I hope you understand what are the force attraction between this all. Now we will talk about the thing. Talk about the next one. So yeah, now we will learn the next one is we have is sublimation. Sublimation sublimation change solid substance solid substance. Wait, let me write it more clear for you. Sublimation change solid substance into gaseous one. Now you say me, what is the sublimation? Sublimation is the another form which we used to tell in evaporation. It is the form of evaporation, another form of evaporation. Sublimation means, now for example, take an pan, and take some water, take some like some things like take some water, so solid substance like water, and then take some things like ice. Okay, take ice and make it the flat, light up the pan, and then after some time the ice get melted, and the evaporation means vapor, the gas, the solid substance, some particles of the solid substance get changed into the gaseous substance. How this works means the evaporation means the thing which is get um, packed, and the air going and coming is air ventilation is not there in that container. Like you kept and water, some water, you take and beaker or some box like this, like one box here. Okay, now in that box, like, let me explain you. This is the box. Okay, now this much is water in it. Okay, this much we have put the water in that box, and then we have sealed the water container from the upside, and after 1 2 days you can see that the vapor has come here. So that is called sublimation, which takes the place into the gas. So that is the sublimation. Now we has deposition. What is the deposition? What is deposition? Let's get started with it. The deposition means the deposition changes gaseous into the solid substance. Now, before without going to the without going with liquid substance. Now, deposition changes the gaseous into the solid without going to the liquid substance. It changes gaseous substance into the solid. Now, for example, you can see that the gases like ha- ca- ha- ha- hydrochronic gas, which is the gas which so change the solid substance into the gaseous substance into the solid substance. Now, for example, move for more examples, like we have the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gets changed into the CO2 solid substance when the dry gas, the gas of the carbon dioxide gets deposited. After that, the carbon dioxide becomes CO2 dry ice. So like this, the deposition works, and I hope to understand what we have learned in this whole video, and what we have covered up the all topics in this whole video. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.